Hello guys, I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but I'm finally uploading one. Yeah. Anyways, do you guys remember this place? And you guys might have seen something interesting here. Might have been true. You see what I see? Yeah, it's guns. New ones. It's a shotgun, basically. And I've also upgraded something. And this thing is for in case if you die, you don't have to restart everything. Because, yes, there's a hospital. It's a hospital. So, here. And you might have seen a lot of holes here. I have been blowing things up a lot. So let's go in here. Okay. Well, anyways, let's just go on a fishing trip. Yeah. It's gonna take a long time to get there. I know where the bay is. Okay, let's go in here. Okay. What about swimming? Okay, I better get out of here. I just saw a great white. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm never going into the water ever again. I hate sharks. Okay. I hope there aren't any of them. I'm just gonna check again. Am I going into submarine? No sharks. Okay. Well, let's go to the ocean, to a big place which has water, and we'll see you guys there. I guess now I'm at the big place of water, and let's go in here and go dip again. Really? Let me see what it is. Okay, now I should see. Are you kidding me? It's a sea serpent. Well, nowhere in the water it's gonna be safe. But there is only one place which will be safe for me. Totally safe. Nothing can get me there. I will. Is Jurassic Park. Jurassic World, I mean. Not the park. The world. Jurassic World. I'll be there. I'll just walk there. Okay, so I haven't found it. I'm right here. Well, I can't find the world. Well, I guess I have to make the world instead. I'll make the world for you guys to see later. So, I'll be back. Okay, we're done with the world right now. I have to... Yeah, I've downloaded a lot of things. Yeah. I've downloaded this map on my phone already, so I'm downloading it on my iPad because I'm literally playing on an iPad. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, sorry, here. Okay, it's finished. I don't have to read anything about this because I don't really know anything. Okay, you'll see guys at the park. Okay, we've got a T-Rex. Okay, let's close the door quickly before he eats us. Okay, let's just go in here. So just close up this gate. Okay, now it's closed. Why are there flapping brachiosauruses trying to climb this thing and drop down? They'll die. So why are they that stupid? What's in here? Oh, I think the Indoraptor has to be in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a baryonyx is supposed to be there. Okay, now that's what they call. Okay, let's head to one of my favorite places in the movie. Okay, we're here. And one of my favorite places, the Indominus Rex paddock. Yeah, this is one of my favorite places in the movie. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you watch Jurassic World, if you watch Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, and then if you've done that, I recommend you to go and watch Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. It's available on Netflix. Do you guys know that? Right. How the flip did this Indominus die? Okay, let me just clear the bow. Okay, now we have the unstoppable potion. It cannot stop anything except skeletons and zombies are immune to this potion. Yeah. Die. It's gonna take a long time to kill this apatosaurus or brachiosaurus. Oh. How did it die? It has like 3,000 health. There's no way you can get defeated that easily. Oh, this one is gonna be hard to defeat. Let's get someone. Oh, let's get someone to help us here. I know who can help us. Yeah, he can definitely help us with this. Let's go with apatosaurus. Oh, the brachiosaurus. You're like the same thing, so I don't know what is what. Oh, it just broke that tree. Okay, you know what? I'm done with this. Die. Just die already. Except your face. Okay, I just gonna ignore all that. Oh, I think. Why don't I try to get an Indominus level 40 from Jurassic World the game? I'm not gonna do that. I know what it looks like, so I'm not gonna get more than one, because one is already enough. If there are two, it's gonna kill the first one. Because yeah, it kills its own kind. Yeah, that's totally not weird. Okay, let's go to the next station. Let's go onwards. Guys, I've been flying and I found this. What in the flipping heck is this? I did not remember seeing this in the movie. Yes, I did not see it. So, why would it be here? Okay, this is not real. I'm breaking and entering because this does not exist. Don't tell me there's a brachiosaurus on the roof. I think there's one already on there. Please don't have one. Okay, I can. This is the most weirdest thing in the world. This does not exist in the movie. 2 brachiosaurs on the roof. Yeah, that is not true. That does not exist also. Let's head to a better place. Okay, this is my favorite part of the movie. Yeah, let's go downstairs to see the dinosaur. Or I should say to see the prehistoric reptile. Yeah, it's actually a reptile. Do you guys know that? I know where I'm going. I'm fast as a flash. And that's not the place. Yeah, this is the place. Not designed because they don't even. Yes, they. What? Mosasaur and Tylosaur. And Tylosaur? There is not a Tylosaur in the movie. Oh, I'm just gonna have to get a Tylosaur add-on soon. I'll get one soon. That adds one. Not the acquired plus realistic mode. It's not that one. I have 2 of them. There's a realistic one and a normal one. Where in the flippin' heck is this Mosasaurus? I know where it is. It's down here. What? Where is it? Okay, let me get to the top. It's the safest way, but do not try this. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I put it. No. Oh, I think it's dead. No. I don't think it is dead. Let me go further. Maybe further in this place. Maybe I might see it. Oh, there we go. There it is. I was at the wrong place. Oh yeah, look at this giant thing. It's not a thing, but it's a dinosaur. Yeah. I'm so fast. Nothing can catch me. Okay, let's just go ham with these mosasaurs. Let's go ham with this. This is totally. I'm going absolute ham with this. Oh, I can't. What is even happening at this point? I can't see it. Okay, I've never tried this. I do not recommend you doing this. I might have to delete Minecraft to recover this, but don't worry. If I delete Minecraft, I can get all the worlds back. Because yeah. Thanks, Mojang, for making it so that when you uninstall Minecraft, you can actually just make your worlds come back. And that's the end of this video of the Jurassic World tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.